The Honor 400 Lite made its debut earlier this month, and it should soon be joined by the Honor 400 and Honor 400 Pro in May, in fact, according to a new leak from China. This also gives us some more details about the two phones. The Honor 400 is once again said to sport a 6.55-inch screen, smaller than its predecessor's 6.7 panel. This move was rumored before. The Honor 400's display will have 1.5K resolution and won't be LTPO, but LTPS OLED, so the variable refresh rate won't be as flexible. The Honor 400 Pro, on the other hand, will have a 6.7-inch screen with the same resolution and tech. The Honor 400 is powered by a Snapdragon 7 series chipset, while the Pro goes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Both models come with a 200MP main camera, while the Pro also has a 50MP telephoto. They both have a metal frame and a battery capacity starting with 7. Thank you for watching.